Today we are making shrimp with sun-dried tomatoes and peas. The first thing you do, you take out the shrimp, put them in a bowl with cold water. Then I take a half a cup of white vinegar and I kind of blanch the shrimp, but then I drain the shrimp so they only have a little bit of vinegar, the shrimp. Then what I do, I add a half a teaspoon of sea salt and a half a teaspoon of dry garlic. In the meantime, I have the fire in low, so you want the saute pan sitting on the fire for like 5 minutes low. The heat has to be low. Then what we do, we take some avocado oil and we'll put it right on the saute pan. We'll kind of cover the bottom, right? Then you turn the heat between medium and hot, and then you put the shrimp in it. You cook the shrimp 2 minutes from one side and 1 minute from the other side. Then the shrimp is ready. You remove the shrimps out of the saute pan. Then in the meantime, I took half an onion, red onion, and I diced it. And on the fry pan, after you take out the shrimp, you add a little bit more oil. So the heat right now is between a low and medium. Now I put the diced onions in the saute pan and I let the onions cook maybe 3 to 5 minutes. I want the onions to get nice and soft. Then I add 1 cup of frozen peas and a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. The sun-dried tomatoes, I dice them small because the sun-dried tomatoes are sweet. So I want you, every bite you take, I want you to taste the sun-dried tomatoes. So the vegetables, I let them saute for 10 minutes and the fire is between medium and low. Then what I do, I just add the shrimp right back to the saute pan and I let the shrimp with the vegetables cook for 2 minutes. Then you can shut off the heat. If you want to leave the shrimp and the vegetables there for a few minutes more, it's fine because you want all the flavors to go inside the shrimp. Then you have rice and you have a delicious, healthy meal. You have to realize this recipe does not have any cream, it doesn't have any cheese, and it doesn't have any flour. And remember, better we eat, better we feel. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.